I got a studio audience. Laugh.
What is your character's name?
Shmeevel. I'm a genderless orc monk who is around a lot of centuries old. Why I don't remember why I'm really powerful is because I was in a battle and so it struck me in the face. I think. I don't know. I lost my memory. So then I woke up.
Whoa, wait. You're taking my story.
This was the story I had from the beginning.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did.
I don't remember my past.
No, but
This isn't your story.
got caught slipping. Don't be tripping. Hold on. No. I lost my memory about how powerful I was.
That's
mine. But I know I'm really good. I'm just really elderly. Like, I'm for real, like, I don't know, my name's Shmeevel. As before, because I was in battle and then I lost my memory, blah, 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 blah. So the monkey monks, they helped me retrain and try and gain my power again, but my monkey friend that taught me how to be a monkey. A monkey monk.
CJ, what are we playing?
Dungeons and Dragons, son.
Tell me about your character.
I am a monk and I was raised by monkeys. So monkey monks.